Today, we're exploring a topic that's on everyone's mind: fossil fuels. What do these words conjure up for you? Are they a symbol of progress, a convenient energy source, or a looming threat to our planet? Let's delve into the world of fossil fuels and discover the diverse perspectives surrounding them. Fossil fuels are the remains of ancient plants and animals that have been buried deep underground for millions of years. The intense pressure and heat transformed them into the energy-rich resources we rely on today, powering our homes, industries, and transportation. Millions of years ago, our Earth was a vastly different place. Teeming with life, vast forests and swampy landscapes covered the land. These ancient plants and animals, after their life cycles ended, were buried beneath layers of sediment. Over time, immense pressure and heat transformed these buried remains. The lack of oxygen prevented complete decay, and instead, a slow process of chemical alteration began. This process, known as fossilization, gradually converted the organic matter into the fossil fuels we know today. This extraordinary process took millions of years, trapping the sun's energy that these ancient organisms had absorbed during their lifespans. Today, we tap into these energy reserves, releasing the sun's power from millions of years ago to fuel our modern world. Fossil fuels are not simply black goo or flammable liquids. They are complex mixtures of various organic compounds, primarily composed of carbon and hydrogen, hence the term hydrocarbons. Each type of fossil fuel has its own unique chemical makeup. Coal, for instance, is rich in carbon and contains varying amounts of other elements like sulfur and nitrogen. It is primarily composed of macromolecules, called humic substances, which form a complex network of aromatic rings and long chains. Oil, on the other hand, is a liquid mixture of hydrocarbons with varying chain lengths and complexities. These include alkanes, alkenes, and aromatics, each with unique properties and functionalities. Natural gas, the lightest of the fossil fuels, is primarily composed of methane, a simple hydrocarbon, with a single carbon atom, and 4 hydrogen atoms. However, it also contains small amounts of other gases like ethane, propane, and butane. Now, the magic happens when we burn these fuels. The chemical bonds within the hydrocarbon molecules break, releasing energy in the form of heat and light. This released energy is what drives our cars, heats our homes, and powers our industries. However, the combustion process also releases byproducts, including carbon dioxide, water vapor, and various pollutants. These byproducts have significant environmental consequences, contributing to climate change and air pollution. Fossil fuels, like coal, oil, and natural gas, are hidden treasures buried deep within the Earth's crust. To access these valuable resources, engineers and technicians utilize various extraction techniques, each tailored to the specific fuel and its location. Let's begin with coal, the oldest and most traditional fossil fuel. Coal mining involves digging into the earth to reach the coal seams. This can be achieved through surface mining, where vast open-pit mines are created, or through underground mining, where tunnels are dug to reach the coal deposits. Oil, a liquid treasure, requires a different approach. Offshore oil rigs are erected in deep ocean waters, and long drills pierce the seabed to reach the oil reservoirs. In land-based oil fields, towering derricks pump oil from underground wells. Natural gas, the lightest of the fossil fuels, is often extracted using a process called hydraulic fracturing, also known as fracking. This technique involves injecting a high-pressure fluid mixture into the ground to create fractures in the rock formations, releasing trapped natural gas. While these extraction methods provide the energy that fuels our modern world, they also come with environmental costs. Fossil fuel extraction can lead to deforestation, land degradation, water pollution, and air quality issues. As we navigate towards a more sustainable future, exploring alternative energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal power becomes increasingly crucial. These renewable resources offer cleaner and more sustainable energy options, minimizing environmental impact and paving the way for a brighter future. Let's unlock the power of science. Explore the world of renewable energy, learn about the chemistry behind sustainable technologies, and let's work together to create a cleaner world for generations to come.